Prime Minister Narendra Modi today reaffirmed India's commitment to achieving green development and net zero targets. Prime Minister Narendra Modi stressed that the expansion of rail connectivity in eastern India will strengthen the economy of the entire region. India has launched Operation Sadbhav to provide humanitarian assistance to Typhoon Yagi affected countries like Myanmar, Laos, and Vietnam. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi have extended their greetings to the citizens, especially the Muslim community, on the occasion of Milad-un-Nabi. The Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade (DPIIT) is set to launch a digital platform called Bhaskar aimed at strengthening India's startup ecosystem.